One of the things that's kept me active in the field of life cycle assessment for several decades now is that it often generates surprises. There's surprises for me, and there's surprises for the companies that I work with. They often haven't looked at their whole business through the lens of cradle-to-grave impacts and a full set of environmental impacts. And when they do, they often discover that some part of the life cycle story of their business or their products turns out to be a main contributor, and they just didn't see it coming. They didn't expect it. They had their priorities elsewhere, and the life cycle assessment helps them focus on the areas where they really should prioritize, because those are the biggest impacts and the place where they can get the biggest reductions. Thinking about Caterpillar, for example. They were astounded to discover with some of their equipment, well over 95%, about 98% of the carbon footprint over the whole life cycle occurred in the use phase. So if they could find ways to make that equipment more efficient to use, maybe it would take just a few more minutes of use to accomplish some major task, well, that increase in productivity on the part of the user translated into a big reduction in the footprint of their equipment. Because you measure your footprint in terms of the impacts per unit of function delivered.